Welcome to Brain Vision.
The first thing we're asked to do is to figure out the constants A and B given this information. So 1,000 equals A times 0.129 to the B power, and 5,000 equals A times 0.315 to the B power. All right, well, let's just try to do this by substitution. A is going to be 1,000 divided by 0.129 to the B power. So if I substitute that into the second equation, I could use a change of base formula here, but I'm not sure that I really want to try that. So 5,000 divided by 1,000 is 5. Wait a minute, I don't think I'm thinking clearly. That's the same as 0.315 over 0.129 to the B power. I don't need a change of base formula here. So okay. So 0.315 divided by 0.129 is 2.44. I'm just going to keep a lot of digits here. 186 to the B power. So the log base 2.44186 of 5 is B. And that would just be the log of 5 over the log of 2.44186 using a change of base formula. I thought I'd have to use that at some point. Okay, so let's just put this in a calculator. Log of 5 over log of 2.14186. That gives me a B of 2.113. I'm just going to leave it like that. All right, and apparently me keeping all of these digits up here was not enough, because that answer is far off. So wherever I see this 0.214, whatever, I'm going to put in the log of 0.315 divided by 0.129. That is B. So now that gives me a B, using my calculator here, of 1.80. All right. Now we need to figure out what A is. So A is going to be 1,000 divided by 0.129 to the B power. I'm going to use an exact value for B there. And I get that A is 40,100 all right. To 3 significant digits. However, 40,123 would be preserving more digits, and what's going on here? Point 18028 is preserving more digits. All right, let's keep going now. Work needed to compress the spring 25 centimeters. 0.250 meters. The work is the integral of the force dx, which would be the integral of ax to the b power dx from 0 to, my goodness, centimeters. No, that's meters. 0.250 meters. Okay. A over B x to the b plus 1 power. Wait, x plus 2 cubed over 3. Now I need a b plus 1 down here if I'm going to do that integral. So x to the b plus 1 power over b plus 1 times a. All right. From 0 to 0.250. Okay, so now that's going to give me a over b plus 1 times 0.250 to the b plus 1 power. I'm going to put that in a calculator. So, A was 40123 over b plus 1. B was 1.8028 plus 1 times 0.250 to the b plus 1 power. 1.8028 plus 1. 1,180 newtons. Now I'm thinking, does that answer make sense? 13 centimeters would be 1,000 newtons. 31 centimeters would be 5,000 newtons. 25 centimeters is in between those two. It does seem like this number should be a little higher, but at least it is between the two. However, this ax to the b power may mean that the force number is lower than what I would expect, because this is x to the 1.8 power. So even though the answer seems a little unusual, I believe it is correct, because we're used to force equals kx, but this is closer to force equals something x to the almost the second power, to the 1.8 power, x squared. All right.